Hey guys, welcome back for a new video. If this is your first time, remember to subscribe right now. But we're gonna
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
not to have cancer. You are more likely not to fall in some kind of weird disease like heart attack, all kind of disease that's related to food. Too many foods actually not healthy at all, not healthy. All right. So intermittent fasting has helped me a lot. You can see here this picture on my left. I was around 210 pounds. I had abs, all this. So if you stay at home, that's not a sin. You stay at home, all right, every day, 10 minutes. I am begging you, 10 minutes. Come back, drop a comment, you know, on my videos. Tell me how you're going. Only 10 minutes a day, all right? Put your heart to some activity. Don't let it die. All right? Ooh. See? Got some great music going on. Great for you. One of the big mistakes that we do, the trainers especially, they tell you, well, you have to eat 6 to 7 times a day in order to accelerate your metabolism. This is a myth. You cannot eat so much, so many times. Not helpful, not at all. Intermittent fasting is the big, popular thing that's going on right now. You can see all my videos. I encourage my people, my friend, everybody else watching, try intermittent fasting. All right? What I do, I sleep 6-7 hours. I wake up in the morning, around 6-7 in the morning. I take a great shower, cold shower, in order to make me feel like, willy waking up. And I go to the gym, of course, spend 1 hour, and I do a lot of cardio. And when I come back from the gym, I have my coffee right here. I don't eat breakfast, nothing at all. All right, till 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I have a great food. You can see right here, it can be salad with salmon, it can be vegetable with chicken breast, something like that, in order to make you feel light. You don't have to fool your stomach with food. No. That's the reason why a lot of people are going through what we call OMAD, 1 meal a day. That's great, but it's not sustainable. You cannot spend 4 or 5 months doing OMAD. No way. You want to do it for a week or 2? Go ahead. You will lose great pounds, but it's not sustainable for a long period of time. Not at all. All right, let's go. One of the exercises that I am in love with, it's called mountain climbers. Oh yeah, this one really helps you a lot, right? We're going down now and have a few of them, right? Intermittent fasting will help you lose weight. I don't know how many times I can reiterate that to you guys. The first days will not be easy, of course, because your body is accustomed to eating 3-4 times a day. So your stomach is your stomach is this big. So you need a lot of food in there in order to make you feel full. What happened with intermittent fasting, it's you are not starving. I want you to remember this. You are not in starvation mode, but you are in restriction eating mode. It's a pattern of eating less food a day in order to lose weight. Your body does not need so many calories. Let's say you eat 1,000 calories a day. All right, you consume 1,000 calories a day, but your body burns 3,000 naturally plus exercise. So you're going down very fast. You're losing a lot of weight per day. It's almost it's more than a half pound of fat per day. All right, let's see what we can do. Again, mountain climbers. I love this exercise. I mean, love it. All right, let's. How about some push-up? Again. Ooh. This is how you remain young. You might have 40, 50, 60 years old, but your heart is like 20 years old because it's a heart that's working in great movement. All right? So, guys, remember, if this is your first time in this channel, go ahead, hit the bell button, subscribe, and as always, have a video coming up each week, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.